بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alhamdulillah والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Good morning, my dear student. Today, inshallah, we'll be continuing our lesson for the second year. My name is teacher Ines Ahdethi. So I hope you have your books, your notebooks, and some pencils because today we will be doing a lot of writings. So let's start. The name of our unit is called Our House. This is lesson number 3. I hope you have your books ready at page 48 and 49. Page 48 and 49. Let's start. Bismillah. Let's try to revise what we've learned in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, also we're continuing, remembering or introducing parts of the house, rooms in the house, like a living room, a dining room, bedroom, bathroom, and we connect them with some actions, some ing verb, like my dad is reading in the living room. My mom is cooking in the kitchen. My sister is sleeping in the bedroom, and so on. So, let's introduce our lesson. As we've been doing this entire semester, we introduce letters starting from A. Today we will take the last 4 letters of the English alphabet. Let's try to remember the letters from the beginning. We have the alphabet starting from A, and I have the capital letter and the small letter. Let's read. Bismillah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and I will introduce the 4 new letters that we will learn today. W, X, Y, Z. So let's take them one letter at a time. W, X, Y, and Z or Z. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So these are the 4 letters we are taking today. These are the last 4 letters in the English alphabet, starting from W, X, Y, and Z. Very good. W, X, Y, and Z. Let's go to the next slide. Now, we learn how to say the letters. Now, let's learn how to write the letters. Starting from the first letter I have here is letter W. To your left, I will write a big capital W here. This is how we write capital W. Or this is capital W. Let's write them between the lines. W. I hope you are practicing this with me. This is capital W. The word here I have is watermelon. It starts with the letter W. Watermelon. Very good. This is capital W. Capital W. So, I have capital W. Now I will introduce or write to you the small w. Or, okay, so let's try them smaller here. W. Watermelon. Window. Wi-Fi. Very good. So, the first letter I have today is W. We learned how to write capital, small, and how to pronounce the letter. Let's go to the next one. The next letter here I have is letter X. Letter X. As you can see, I have a word here that starts with X. The word is X-ray. We need to have X-ray. If we have accidents, if we have pain, we made X-ray at the hospital. To your left, I will write a capital X first. This is a capital X. Let's try the capital X between the line. X. Capital X. Very good. I hope you are practicing it with me. Capital X. Very good. Okay, this is the capital X. Small x is exactly the same. This is how we write the small x. Okay? Make sure you are writing them between the lines. X, X-ray, X-ray. Very good. So, the first letter we have is W. After that we have X. Next, we have the letter Y. Letter Y. To your left, I will write a huge capital Y. Or, this is a capital Y. Now let's write them between the lines. As you can see, just follow these steps. And the word here I have is you. Y. Y, very good. Make sure you practice more with me in your houses. Keep doing it. This is the capital Y. Now, I will show you how to write the small y. Okay? This is how we write the small y. Oh, just like this. Both are correct. Let's write them between the lines. Follow the numbers that I have here. 1, 2. Very good. Keep practicing with me. So I have Y. The word is you. Very good. Let's go to the last letter we have. I have letter Z or letter Z. As you can see, I have a word that starts with Z, that is zebra. Zebra. Here I will have capital Z. Now let's write them between the lines, or smaller here. Z, zebra. Very good. Now I will write the small one. It's exactly the same, but make sure you have it between the lines. The exact same shape, just smaller. Z, zebra. Very good. Now, let's go to the next slide. Now, I have all these letters. Let's read them one last time. I have the capital letters starting from A. Let's write them. Let's say them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, or Z. Let's go to the next one. Now, I need you to help me here to fill with the missing letters. As you can see, all the letters here are capital. So I need you to help me to complete it with the missing capital letters, starting from A. So I have A, B. After that, what do I have? After B, I have C. Very good. After C, what do I have? A, B, C, D. Very good. E, F. Excellent. Make sure they are all capital. G, H, I. Very good. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. After S I have T, U, V, and the last four letters that we introduced today, W, X, Y, and Z. Very good. Okay, so these are the capital English alphabet. Let's go to the next one. Yes, you are right. Now we will complete it with the small letters, starting from A. Finish the alphabet with the small letters this time. Starting from A. Small. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and the last four letters we learned today, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so we learned how to say the English alphabets now, how to read them, how to write them. Let's introduce something else. Actually, let's have these exercises first. As you can see, I have many alphabets here, capital, and to your right, I have them as small letters. Let's start with the first one. This is capital S. Can you help me locate and write this small s in the box? Where's the small s? Where's the small s? You are right. This is a small s. Very good. The next letter here I have is letter T. T. I have a capital T. Where's the small t? Where's the small t? Very good. That is a small t. Excellent. The next one I have is capital U. Capital U. Where's the small u? Very good. That's the small u. The next one I have is V. Letter V. Where's the small v? That's the small v. Very good. The next one I have is our letter today, W. Where's the small w? Very good. The next one I have is X. I have capital X. This is the small x. Very good. The next letter I have is Y. Where's the small y? Very good. That's the small y. And the last letter I have is Z. Letter Z. Let's go to the next one. Also, let's try to remember some of the earlier letters we've learned. I have A. Capital A. Where's the small a? That's the small a. Very good. The next letter I have is B. Capital B. Where's the small b? Very good. The next letter I have is C. Capital C. Where's the small c? Very good. The next one I have is D. Capital D. Where's the small d? Very good. Next one I have is capital E. Where's the small e? Next one I have is F. Where's the small f? Very good. Next one I have is G. This is the small g. And the last letter I have is H. And this is the small h. Very good. Let's go to the next one. I will introduce something really nice now, is shapes. Shapes. What do we mean by shapes? We are done with numbers and letters. Let's introduce some shapes. As you can see, I have different shapes here. They are not the same, okay? And later on, I will connect it with some items that we have in our daily life. Like if I ask you, what is the shape of your book? Is it circle? Is it square? Is it triangle? Is it rectangle? No. So I will introduce some shapes that you already have in your books at page 48 and 49. So let's try to link them together. Matching shapes. As you can see, to your left, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, okay? And to your right, I have the names of these shapes. So let's start with the first one. This is a circle. This is a circle. So I will match it with the word circle. Circle. I need you to repeat after me, please. Circle. Circle. One more time. Circle. One last time. Circle. Very good. Let's go to the next one. The next one is rectangle. Rectangle. So read it with me, please. Rectangle. One more time. Rectangle. One last time. Rectangle. Very good. Let's go to the next one. The next one I have is triangle. Triangle. Repeat it after me, please. Triangle. One last time. Triangle. Very good. And the last one I have is square. I have square. Very good. So I have square. Repeat it after me, please. Square. One more time. Square. One last time. Square. Very good. So let's move and read the words one word at a time. Square. Square. Triangle. triangle, rectangle, rectangle. And the last one I have is circle, circle. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next slide. As I told you, we will play a game now, matching real items that we have in our life with the names of the shape or the shape themselves. So starting from the first one, this is a tablet or an iPad or maybe a big, huge phone that you have. Let's match it with the correct. Do we match it with the circle? Do we match it with a square? No, we match it with a rectangle. Very good. Next one I have is a ball. A ball. We match the ball with what? With the circle. Very good. We match the ball with the circle. It has the same shape. Let's go to the next one. I have this, it's a hat or a tree. Where do we, it matches the shape. Which shape? Now we have a square and we have a triangle. It has the shape of triangle. Very good. And the last one I have a gift or a present. It has the same shape as the square. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Same one here, different items. Let's try. I have a slice of pizza. So the slice of pizza, it has the shape of what? A circle, a square, rectangle? No, it has the shape of a triangle. Very good, triangle. How about the ball? A ball. It has the shape of a circle. Very good, like an apple, an orange. It has the same shape of a circle. Next one I have here is a box or a gift. It has the same shape of a square. Very good. And the last one I have is a keyboard. This is like a desktop that it has a keyboard with. It has the same shape of a rectangle. Very good, rectangle. So let's read the shape. I have circle, square, triangle, and rectangle. Very good. Let's go to the next slide. Now, I hope you have your books ready at page 48 because we need to read it together. Read and trace. I have W. So I need you to write W between the lines. Window. It is a rectangle window. It is a rectangle window. So I have W here, capital, and this is small w. Let's go to the next letter. X-ray. X-ray. He had an X-ray. He had an X-ray. So let's have X, capital and small. The next one I have is letter Y. I have the word UU. This is a green UU. So I have a capital Y and a small y. Capital Y and small y. The word is UU. The last letter I have is Z or Z. I have zoo. There are animals in the zoo. Okay, so let's write capital Z and small one. Very good. Let's go to the next slide. For the next slide, I have the English alphabets all together. Let's read them this time faster. I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Also, we have number 4, the shapes. We are already introduced 4. I will introduce the 5th one. I have circle, square, triangle, rectangle, and I have a line, just a line to connect between 2 dots. So I have a circle, square, triangle, rectangle, and a line. So I don't think we have time for this. So that was our lesson. Today we learned about shapes. We introduced 5 shapes: circle, square, rectangle, triangle, and a line. Also, we introduced the last 4 letters we have in the English alphabet: W, X, Y, and Z. That was our lesson today. Until I see you next time, stay safe. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.